Today I have a very cool Turkish lock for you guys. It's a Euro cylinder, it's a KALE. Oh, very shiny. KALE, see, you can see it's a dimple lock. It's a 6-pin dimple lock, very cool beading. Short, long, too short, then long, and then somewhere in the middle. So when I got this one, it was in very bad condition. You can see maybe on the key still some green gunk. It was barely working, so I don't know why it was barely working, but now it's working a bit better. I needed to disassemble and put all the pins in isopropyl alcohol for probably 2 days, and even still was like gooey, and it was sticking. So yeah, it was not a good it was not in a good situation, but I did clean it, and you can see now it's working. It's looking very nice, and it's, I think, yeah, it's 6-pin lock, but I think every pin was like a standard spool, or other way around, spool standard. So there are security pins inside, and also you can see there is this snap protection, and also drill protection. This is probably outside, this is an inside, and there are some numbers 162212. I don't know what that means, but in general it's a standard Euro cylinder, and I will try to pick it upside down from my perspective. Let's make it a bit challenging for me. Flat flag, standard one, heavy tension as usual, and we go into and try to find the binding pin. So now 6 is binding, click from 6. 5 is binding, click from 5. Now 4 is binding. Come on, 4. Okay, I need to push 4. Okay, 4, click. Whatever that was, 2 or 3, and we're in a deep fall set. And now let me see, I cannot. So now 3, so that was 2, so now 3 is binding again. Click from 2, but I lost my fall set. So now 1 is still binding, click from 1, and we are in back in that deep fall set. And now 1, okay, so now counter rotation from 1. Come on, click, but I lost that fall set. Did I not? Yeah, I did not set pin number 1 properly. So we are open. It's an interesting look. I mean, there are security pins inside, but as I said, it's not that tricky to pick, even with my ups and downs. To make it challenging for me. So let's try to disassembly, and let me show you what is inside. So as you can see, I did manage to disassemble this one, and you can see all the pins are standard. 1, 3, and 5 are spools, and we have 2, 4, and 6, they're standard. I did get one of the springs, I don't want to get more of them. Here's the core, nothing special. I don't know if you can see that green inside. I still was unable to clean the core properly. Drill protections, and also you can see the pin 4, the key pin and the driver, they are drill protection pins. and this is inside. Let me shine a light. So this is how everything looks like. There are the springs. There is that part of the cam mechanism. So yeah, it's a very cool KALE lock, KALE Euro cylinder. It's hard to find it. They are probably in Turkey and some other countries, but I don't know how it ended up in Sweden, this block, but it is what it is. I really like it. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Have a nice picking, and bye bye.